Hi guys, and I'm actually gonna show you me eating this sour rain pouch. They say it's supposed to be super sour, so I bought one pack. I'm gonna try out one on YouTube, and then I'm gonna go to Isabel's house one day, and I'm gonna we're gonna have a challenge. So I'm gonna open this up, and you guys can see me eat this sour. That wasn't really that sour though. I'm gonna see what happens if I take a big, but wow, that's sour. That's sour. So sour. This is extra sour. You have to buy these online, so they're you have to get these online. Oh my gosh, that's so sour. If you guys want to do a challenge like that, one thing you should know: it's super sour that my eyes are getting teary. Like, if something is super sour, my eyes start to get teary, like, oh, really teary. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe. No bad comments. Love you guys. Bye.